Welcome back here today to Steel City Collectibles Break Room. Up next, we have 2 boxes of the 2015 Onyx Clubhouse autographed batting gloves. This one's going out to James. Thank you very much. And let's see what we pull out of here for you here today. Alright, factory sealed. There from Onyx. Inside is a pair of batting gloves. And the first one will belong to Ben Zobrist. Autographed game used batting gloves. And the certificate of authenticity with the hologram. Very nice. All right, next box. We have batting gloves, which will be autographed by Andy Burns. Game used from 2014, autographed by Andy Burns. Very used. Hole there on the other side, and also the other one autographed as well. Alright, very nice there. Cool to get some game used memorabilia. Thanks again for breaking with us, and I hope to have you back here for another one in the near future.